Alright, what's up YouTube? This is my kaffir lime tree or Makrut lime tree, and I've only on the internet I've only seen images of the lime actually being green. This is my first season with this tree, so I'm seeing that they're starting to turn yellow. So that's how it looks on the picture, but I've only seen them as green limes. So people that gave descriptions of the flavor of it, they only gave the description of a green one. So I wonder how a yellow one would taste. I'm gonna let them turn their complete color, then I'm gonna do a little test on them. That's interesting. So this is the largest one. It's a very unique lime. Very unique. And the leaves are aromatic. The skin is supposed to be super aromatic. Then over here I also have the Persian lime. I'm assuming they're called lime because they're normally picked when they're green, but I don't know. They might be in a lime family, especially that kaffir lime. But it's just interesting. So I don't know if I'm gonna harvest this yet. It may be ready. This tree had a little accident. It was knocked over because it's planted above ground. It got tackled. But it's a story for another day. See y'all in the next one. I also have some key limes that are growing on another tree.